In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the new Zoom In feature in Midjourney 5.2. There's nothing new to upgrade or install. Simply type your prompt as usual, then just wait for the image to be generated. Click on the upscale button, and now under the upscaled image, we have 3 new buttons: custom zoom, zoom out 1.5x, and zoom out 2x. I'm going to use 2x. As usual, you'll get 4 images generated with the zoom out effect applied. Now, one other thing you can do is you can actually zoom out on these new images as well, and you can just continue like that infinitely. And here's the version of my original prompt zoomed out 2 times, twice in a row. Now, one thing I noticed on this zoomed out image, while the image was zoomed out, the resolution was actually still very low.